If I bought a Brinkley RV, this is the one I'd get. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 12 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours, where we're taking a look at a new Brinkley every day for 15 days. This right here is the Brinkley Model Z 3515. It's 1 inch under 40 feet, but it's got a really cool rear office. Let's go check it out. All right, so today we are checking out this Brinkley Model Z 3515. I mean, if I was buying a Brinkley, this is the one I would get because it's got a really cool rear office and it's perfect for working from the road. But let's start up front before we even get to the back. This is the automotive front cap, really nice. You do have the docking lights up on the front, down on the bottom, and up there. You have a Kurt Helix pin box, and then coming down here, you've got all this underbelly storage. You have your smart charge controller, the inverter, and you've got your lithium battery as well. Over here is going to be the hydraulic power unit. So that is all of that right there is what's powering those suckers. On the side of this RV, you're gonna have the bed slide, and basically it's a slim rack slide system. Now, you're not going to get the frameless windows on the side wall of the system, but you will get it on your rack and pinion systems. Up front here, you're going to have your propane tanks. You're gonna have one on this side and then one on the other side as well. Lots of underbelly storage space. You're gonna have this flip up thing where that goes up and then that goes to the side. You're gonna have your electronic leveling system by Lippert. And then what's really nice is that you have this little area where you can throw just some of that dirty stuff. And then you also have your water controls. You got your retractable hose from Brinkley. So that's really nice because you don't have to use your own water hose. You have your gray tank valve dump, which you're gonna have a separate one, and then these two are grouped on the same. You're gonna have your cable, satellite, all that good stuff. You're gonna have your on-demand hot water heater, a furnace, your power hookup, and then this right here is going to be the first gray tank dump. You're gonna have this canister where you can slide your sewer hose so that you don't have to put it in the underbelly storage area and dirty everything up. You're going to have this one large slide out, which is a rack and pinion slide system. And you also get that little light up there, which is really cool because if you get to a campground late at night, you're able to turn that on and set up your water connections. And there's even some lights up underneath of your slide out. So on the opposing campsite, you're actually going to have a door. And so you're gonna have your aluminum tread steps that pull out just like that. Under the back door, you're gonna have another sewer hose holder, and then you're gonna have the other tank dump. And then you also get a spare tire up underneath of the RV instead of mounted on the back. And check out the suspension on this RV. That right there has to do, it's all tied into the Kurt Helix pin box, and you know, it really just offers a smooth ride. All right, so now we are on the campsite, and you've got an awning here on this slide out. You do have a awning mounted on the side wall of the RV up on the front. Other propane tanks here up front. And then you're going to get this large underbelly storage bay. And so lots of access to all of the plumbing, electrical, all that up under there. And then you have this area that's really nice, like we saw on the other side. So you can just kind of throw the dirty things in there, and it keeps that space nice and clean. Slam latches on all that. And then you've got your MoreRide solid steps. You do have the really nice MoreRide Safe T handrail. And so it pulls out and then that slides down, and it gives you a lot of really nice grip points to get inside the RV. And then you have RV Lock, which is a really great product. I mean, we have this on our camper and we are never turning back to the original door handle. This right here comes standard on Brinkley's from the Model Z Air and up. But if you don't have this on your RV and you want to get one, I definitely recommend it. It makes getting in and out of your RV super easy. You can either put in your code to unlock or lock your RV, or you can use the wireless remote it comes with. And then you can also just use the regular key. But if you want it, rvlock.com. Get 10% off with the discount code RVTalk10. So definitely check that out. All right, so inside of this Brinkley RV, you're gonna have your 4-position dinette, slides around. It can be used as a desk or a dinette, but what's really cool is that you have a hole right here and an outlet down on the floor, and you're able to plug your stuff in and run it up through there. And so it's like great cable management, you know, if you're working with a monitor here or something like that. You've got these really nice pull-out chairs. You can use it in all these different positions. And then right here, you're going to have your theater seating. You've got heat, massage, USB port, center console with USB ports as well, wireless phone charger, and these are, they are wall huggers. So whenever you recline, they literally hug the wall and they give you the most amount of reclining space. Over here, you're going to have a tri-fold sofa. So this right here folds out into a bed, and then you're going to have your ottoman, which pops up into a desk. Up here, you're going to have lots of storage space, some lighting, but overall, tons of storage space. You do have a mirror and some little sconces, but this right here is the space in the back that is so cool. You have this massive wraparound desk. It has a solid surface countertop as the top, and you're able to raise it up and down with these 2 buttons. So that's pretty cool. So it's a electric desk that goes up and down. They even have a hole so you can run your wires up through it. I mean, they really think of everything. You've got all this storage space as well, cabinets all the way around, more storage space here, pull out drawers. And something that I forgot to mention is that you do have washer and dryer prep. So you can actually raise the desk up and put a washer and dryer in. So that's pretty cool. And then here is your other door. But overall, it's a pretty nice space. All right, so you can close it off with the door, and then coming over here, you have your entertainment center where this drops down. You've got all of this little storage, and then you do have a Rockford Fosgate sound system, which is a great system if you want really good sounding music in your RV. You have a televator, so this right here, it flips up and goes up. And then you have an HDMI plug right there, so you can put like a Roku box there and it hooks up to your TV. Lots of storage space up above, cabinet space all throughout this RV, a large residential size microwave, and all the cabinets, they are soft close. You do have a 3-burner cooktop, a large oven, some pull-out drawers underneath, and then coming over here, you've got your refrigerator, freezer on this side, and fridge on this side. So a lot of shelves, a lot of pull-out drawers, and then you even have these little shelves in the side of the fridge doors. And then you have a large pantry. They give you an outlet in case you have an appliance that you want to set in there and keep it tucked away. More storage space up here. And then you do have some pull-out drawers. And you do get a TPMS system, which this is something that's really important to have, so it's nice that it already comes with it. In the center of this RV, you're going to have a kitchen island with 2 pendants up above. You do have this large pull-out drawer with a trash can and recycling can, as well as the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. And then you have this right here, which is a little dog food station. So if you're a dog owner, it can go right here, or it actually can go on the other side of the island as well. But if you don't have a dog, you can just pull it off because it has magnets on the back and you can store it away. All right, so stepping up into the front bedroom area, you've got a lot of space. This is a large bedroom. I mean, really. It's pretty nice. You're going to have a door where you can close off the front room, and it has a magnetic hook, so it holds the door shut, or it holds the door open, so it doesn't close on its own. You do have lots of pull-out drawers, all soft close. So this is a nice little dresser space, and then you can hide some stuff like jewelry and stuff like that back behind here underneath of this table or this little dresser top. Over here you're gonna have little tiny cubbies where you can throw some stuff, and then this right here is a large space prepped for washer and dryer. And again, everything's soft close. Over here, I'm going to have a large front closet. It's really nice. You've got these little doors that are mirrors, so that's neat. And then over here to the bed, you've got windows on each side, but you have this little shelf, and there is an outlet up there to where you can plug in a CPAP machine. So that's really nice that Brinkley thought of that. And you also have these little lights where you can adjust them and move them around. Large king-size bed, really nice. Bunch of storage space underneath, and then you also have this little cubby over here. Now stepping into the bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet. You've got your toilet paper holder, which it's magnetic, so it just hooks onto the wall or attaches to the wall when you're going down the road. And then you're gonna have this large storage space. You do have a couple of towel hooks, and then the shower. This is pretty much the same shower as all the Brinkley models that we've been looking at as far as the fifth wheels. But overall, great headroom. My head is above, or my head is under, just slightly, the shower head. And I am 6'2". Over here, you're going to have your mirror as well as a hand towel holder. You've got a nice little sink and then a faucet, lots of storage space underneath, as well as pull-out drawers. And then there's Liquified, which is today's sponsor of the video. We've been RVing for over 15 years, and this is hands down the best RV toilet treatment in the industry. It's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste, prevent odors, and it even cleans your tank sensors. It's made in America, and it comes in this bottle which measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. They have a gray tank treatment, they have pods, they have the liquid version, but they also have a toilet bowl cleaner, and it's safe for your RV pipes. So they have lots of great products. Go check them out, liquifiedrv.com. And if you want to save 15%, you can use the discount code RVTalk15 or use the link in the description. Thanks to Liquified for sponsoring today's video. All right, so that right there is going to do it for the tour of this Brinkley Model Z 3515. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I really love this unit. If I was buying a Brinkley, this is the one I'd get, and it's just because of that rear office. I mean, being able to work from the road is definitely a must, and that makes it possible. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tours and more Brinkley tours, because we got 3 days left of the 15 days of Brinkley RV tours where we're checking out a new Brinkley every day. So, until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the road.